No one expects to get stranded, but most drivers are far less prepared than they think. Smart drivers don't wait for an emergency to find out. After years of driving and testing dozens of car products, I've learned that a few simple items can completely change how an emergency plays out. These are the 7 things I recommend every driver keep in their car. First, a portable jump starter. Because a dead battery never happens at a convenient time. Prepared drivers don't rely on strangers for a jump. These compact power packs can bring your car back to life in seconds, without needing another vehicle. They're incredibly easy to use and a lot safer than traditional jumper cables. Plus, many models double as a power bank, so you can charge your phone or other devices right from the unit. It's the ultimate peace of mind, knowing you can handle one of the most common roadside issues all by yourself. Second, a tire inflator. Low tire pressure is one of the most common reasons drivers end up stuck. 5 minutes with an inflator can save you from a very long wait. Modern portable compressors are small enough to fit in your glove box and powerful enough to reinflate a tire in just a few minutes. You just plug it into your car's 12-volt outlet, set the desired pressure, and it does the work for you, often shutting off automatically. This isn't just for emergencies. It's also for regular maintenance, ensuring your tires are always at the optimal pressure for safety and fuel efficiency. Third, a roadside emergency kit. You hope you never need it, but when you do, nothing else matters. A good kit should include essentials like reflective triangles to make you visible to other drivers, a first aid kit for minor injuries, basic tools for simple repairs, and sometimes even a tow strap. It's an all-in-one solution that prepares you for a wide range of unexpected situations. Having all these items organized in one bag means you're not scrambling to find things when stress is high. Fourth, a dash cam. Because if something happens on the road, footage matters more than opinions. A dash cam is your unbiased witness. It records everything that happens in front of your vehicle, providing crucial evidence in the event of an accident or a dispute. It can protect you from fraudulent claims, help prove your innocence, and even capture unexpected moments on the road. Many models now include features like parking mode, which records any impacts even when your car is turned off, giving you 24/7 security. Fifth, a portable battery bank. A dead phone during an emergency is a situation you never want to experience. Think about it. Your phone is your lifeline. It's how you call for help, look up directions, and let loved ones know you're safe. A dedicated power bank in your car, kept fully charged, ensures you'll never be cut off when you need communication the most. Look for a high-capacity model that can charge your phone multiple times, so you're covered for extended periods. Sixth, a reliable phone mount. When you need directions quickly, fumbling with your phone is the last thing you want. A sturdy, well-placed phone mount keeps your GPS visible and your hands on the wheel. This is not just a convenience, it's a critical safety feature. It prevents distracted driving and ensures that you can follow navigation or manage hands-free calls without taking your eyes off the road. Whether you prefer a vent mount, a dash mount, or a windshield mount, find one that holds your phone securely. And last, something most drivers overlook, a simple emergency blanket or cold weather gear. If you ever get stuck overnight, you'll understand why this matters. A car's heater only works when the engine is running, and you may need to conserve fuel. A Mylar space blanket is incredibly lightweight and compact, but reflects up to 90% of your body heat back to you. Having a warm blanket, a pair of gloves, and a hat in your trunk can make a miserable, cold night survivable and even comfortable. It's a small addition that makes a huge difference. No one plans for emergencies, but smart drivers prepare anyway. I've linked everything below so you can check current pricing if you want to see what drivers are choosing. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.